Okay, everyone, let's check in with Noah, a theater major from McKinney, Texas, and their service dog, Ender. But don't let that faraway hometown fool you. This Texan comes from a long line of UNH Wildcats, and they love nothing more than welcoming new members to the UNH family. Take it away, Noah.
Hi, everyone, and thanks, Alex. I was born into a family full of Wildcats. With the 2 generations before me being University of New Hampshire alumni, I grew up with Wildcat pride all around me. When it came time to make my college decision, I officially joined the rest of the family as a Wildcat. On top of being a university that feels like home to me, UNH is also a place of possibilities. I've had so many impactful experiences in my theater major. Costume construction, performance, marketing, and off-campus internships are just a few of the hands-on learning opportunities I've been a part of over the last 2.5 years. I've also had amazing opportunities outside of the classroom through UNH's partnership with Northeast Passage, an adaptive recreation nonprofit with a long history in New England. With Northeast Passage, I've been able to do everything from weekly court sports in the rec center, to kayaking, to higher intensity opportunities like learning sled hockey while sharing the ice with members of Team USA. I love welcoming new Wildcats to UNH. As an orientation leader and admissions student representative, I see a lot of new and prospective students. I absolutely love getting to show them everything I adore about UNH, and in many cases, being the smiling face welcoming them to their new home for the next 4 years. Even after a lifetime of anticipation, attending UNH still lives up to my expectations and frequently exceeds them. I'm honored to be carrying on my family's legacy, but even more than that, I'm honored to be a part of the Wildcat family as a whole. That's all from us. Back to you, Alex.
Thanks, Noah. Your UNH pride is overflowing, and we love hearing about the awesome experiences you are having doing hands-on work in the theater department, giving tours and living your best life at UNH, just like your parents and their parents did. Thanks again, Noah.